We divide 904 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down this 0 and it is 40. So 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 0. So again we put down this 4 and 5 times 0 means 0. On subtracting we get 4. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 0. So 904 divided by 5 is 180 decimal 8.